So yeah, walking around Vietnam, I don't know what to expect. But staying out of the centre, it's been a lot more fun than being in the centre. I just had a medical check and they said I'm healthy, which was good to hear. So yeah, 15 million people equals 15 million bikes, but that's only 15 million people of the age to ride and stuff. So 15 million people here, probably between 7 and 10 million that are riding bikes and stuff. If we're trying to be as honest as possible, but the place is busy no matter what. Like we're picking up numbers here, but it's I just sitting there, right? You can get your washing done, 5,000 a kilo. My hostel's trying to charge me 30,000 to wash and dry for one wash and one dry. So it's not a kilo, so it is good, right? But I'm having issues with my landlord at the moment. Not even my landlord, the host of the hostel. So what happened was I booked into the hostel. He was all lovely. Oh, I'll let you in while you pay. So he let me into the building so I could pay. And he said, once you've paid, then I'll let you in. I'll give you the key to the room. So I had to sit in the lobby trying to pay this guy. Then I paid him. And then when I paid him, he didn't say anything. He didn't say, oh, the money's short or blah, blah, blah. He just took the money. And then when the money cleared, then he told me that there was a problem. So, in fact, I'm gonna text him about that right now. I can see myself getting into an argument with this guy. I think I should leave, so I've asked him, can I get a full refund, yeah, so I can just leave the property, because it's not working out. It's playing on my mind, and I can't get over it, because I can get places for cheaper than that. I don't want to pay that sort of money. It'd be easier for me to get my money back and rough it and save lots of money. So if I get the opportunity, that's what I'm going to do. I'm going to get my money back. I don't want to be giving money to people that are sleazy. Because now I'm thinking about it, I gave him the money. He had to wait. He had to wait till Monday to get the money. And it was the weekend, and he was cool with it, so he got to look at it and everything. He knew what he was getting, because I sent him the thing that had been sent, so it's not like he couldn't see. I never misled him or anything. He's played the slippery game, and I don't like that. So I would like my money back. No one wants to be at that place. It's an alright place. It's got its issues, and I'm just keeping my mouth shut because I'm waiting to get paid next month. And that's all I'm doing. Hasn't the month even started yet? The month. So we're about 40 days out. So I gotta find somewhere to stay for 40 days. And now I've stayed in that hostel. It's not worth it. I'm looking around at other things, and I may as well just pay a bit more and get what I really want. I've not got what I really want. Every morning, 8, 9 o'clock, the guy's texting me with stupid things. This is the second night. I've been there 2 days, and this is the second time, and I paid him full in cash, so there's no issue. I paid over 300 euros, so you'd imagine that I'd get a discount or some empathy or something, but I get none of it. So what I've done is, for some reason, his property's not on Google Maps. So I've put him on Google Maps so that I can review him and let everybody know what sort of a person he is. And then by doing that, he will understand that he can't do this to people. And it's not, it's not as easy as he thinks it is, just to screw people over. The people have a voice now. So I don't know if you guys know it, but as well as doing my YouTube, it's not connected, but I try to review as many places as possible that are connected to where I visit. So you can go to my Google Maps channel, and some of the places that I've been to, I've reviewed them. The name is obviously the same name. I'm not going to change the name of the brand. So if you look for TT, you'll find me telling the truth, being myself as usual. I'm going to be well known for telling the truth, and these companies are going to get exposed one by one. If you go on my reviews, some stories that I have, I don't even tell you about. Oh, damn. Yeah, some of the reviews that I do and issues that I have, I don't even make a story out of them. And if you just go through my reviews, you'll hear that I've got issues with some of the things that I'm dealing with. And this is just something private that I do. And that's why this channel means so much to me. It's not just about reviewing stupid things or stupid places and that. It's about supporting the people, us. It's about stop letting these people rip us off, take advantage of us. I done a review yesterday, right, and I don't even want to talk about it because it's not really for YouTube really, but someone was taking the pee, and all I can do is my part, So I did my part. If you look on my Google Maps, you'll know what I'm talking about. What I will say about this place, right, it's really messy. Right. It's a bit better over here where I am, but like people have got bad, messy habits, and it follows them. It don't matter how classy the building is. Like, you can't make everything classy. Some things have to be the way that they are because that's the way that the people are. And this shouldn't be here, but it is. Like, I'm not saying it shouldn't be here, but in certain like, look at this place here. Like, it just doesn't match. It doesn't match with. But the people, even if they live in these beautiful buildings, this is how they want to eat, and like this is how they want to hang out. I've been past mansions, right, and they're washing the dishes on the floor outside, and I'm looking at the house thinking, like, I can't even afford that. You've got a beautiful house, and you're outside washing your things. Like, you're never gonna come out of that, you know. And you don't have to come out of it, but just be proud of who you are. Stop trying to be something that you're not. And just be who you are. That's my argument. It's not like, oh, haha, look at them washing their thing. No, if that's what you do, there must be a reason why you do it. But why do you need a mansion then? Like, it just doesn't go hand in hand, I don't think. Anyway, what's that got to do with me? Just my opinion, isn't it? So yeah, I'm really thinking hard about this hostel, like it's like apartment, hotel, whatever you want to call it. Should I work with the guy, bite my tongue, because I've only got 30-40 days? Or should I go there with him because I'm not putting up with this, and this is the beginning of me not putting up with it? That's what I'm asking myself, and it's like, I don't have an answer. The answer is how he responds, because I haven't been horrible to him. I've just told him how I'm feeling and how his thoughts have made my day start. So now he needs to address how he feels to what I've said. And it's just an energy thing, isn't it? Like, he didn't need to bother me about it in the morning. He has for the second time. And it's just making me wonder. It's just making me ask myself, think. Like I'm trying to do this new thing now. So I'm trying to change. I'm trying to be different, you know. How much are the coconuts? Oh, it's not your shot. How much is the coconut? How much? How much? Okay. Thank you. But yeah, I'm having a great day. I don't know what's going on, right, but I've got rid of my WhatsApp, and I'm not only regretting it, I'm missing it, so I don't know what to do. Thank you. So yeah, I'm gonna drink this, guys, and I'm gonna get back to you, man. See you in a bit.